Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize always on display on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to customize AOD and make some changes, we need to go to the settings. In the settings you want to scroll down and go to wallpaper and personalization, and then go to always on display over here. And here of course we need to make sure that AOD is enabled. After that we can manage display items section, where we can set it for 10 seconds after tapping. We can set it to always or smart or scheduled, and we can also manage the AOD when the battery saver is on, so we can decide to turn it off when we have battery saver on. And over here we have themes. We can use one of these themes over here with different backgrounds. Many of them are customizable, if not all of them. For instance, if I choose this one, I can adjust the text color over here. I can choose what should be displayed, and if you want to, you can also use your own image over here. So you can select your image. You can tap over here in order to choose the image. So let's say we're gonna choose this one over here. There we go. We can apply, and there we go. We have AOD with our image. Of course, we also have the text, which is over here. We can move it down in order to see everything. We can change the clock position at the top. We can disable it, and so on and so forth. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.